KBCols produces biocolors which are natural, sustainable, and reproducible in shade, paving a new era in fashion technology, personal care, and many more.
Today, when we think of natural colors, it's always from flowers and vegetables. But they are not sustainable because they require large land and they have a limited color palette. That is where KBCols, through its technology, is trying to usher in a new era of biocolors. Today, we are poised to grow with our customers, meeting their needs from pilots to commercial.
During our early research days, we used to see projects focus on wastewater treatment or effluents coming from textile industries and other industries. That was the moment when we realized why not to create safer alternatives at first place rather than treating that water at later stage. This is how KBCols Genesis happened. We thought of developing these safer biocolors at first place and using them in various sectors like textiles, foods, personal care, and other sectors.
With its advanced technology, KBCols screens the vast biodiversity of India and finds solutions that are sustainable and scalable. KBCols makes the products from vial to scale at its dedicated state-of-the-art pilot plant facility. At KBCols, we just don't employ the use of biodesign through understanding of science, but study and understand the directives that govern fashion and beauty trends. KBCols has invested in the technology of the future. We are KBCols Sciences, a home to the revolution of coloring the world in a different but safer way.